Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to Billy Fix My Ads. If I say it fast, it sounds like Billy Fix My Ads. But it's not. Episode 1, this is a new series that we're creating to show you guys how to create ads that sell shit. Everything that you've been putting out as of late is garbage. I go into my newsfeed and I get upset. It's a Drake quote. Let's get into it. Ad number 1, let's get it popping. And I want a tiger sound effect when I go. So for those of you that are extremely new to Facebook ads, this is what an ad looks like. You're scrolling on Facebook, then all of a sudden you see something that says, sponsored. And that's an indicator that it's an advertisement and you are being spammed in your news feed. So what I did is we sent out an email to the people who've been rocking with us for a long time and said, hey guys, who's struggling getting customers with your ads? And we had someone submit it. His name is, I actually don't know his name. Feed me somebody. What's his name? Jay? His name is Jay. Jay's been rocking with us for quite some time, and he sells engagement rings, and he needs to sell more of them. Well, Jay, consider this my proposal of what I'm proposing to do to you. Anyways, let's switch it up. Welcome to the Genius Zone. This advertises from Houston Diamond Outlet, and it says, don't get ripped off buying your diamond engagement ring online sight unseen. Check out our reviews and 4.9 stars and see why our customers are so happy. Get wholesale prices right here in Houston. See over blah, 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 blah. Shut up! You know what's wrong with this advertisement? It's all about me. Me. The customer doesn't give a damn about you. They give a damn about them. So for example, when you're starting off this advertisement and it's all about check out our reviews, check out how happy our customers are, blah, 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 blah. They don't care. With them, they want to know what's in it for them. Make sure there was text there. So let's take a dive deeper. The number one takeaway I want you guys to have from this ad is the challenge that's created right from the jump. He's only looking for people who are already shopping for engagement rings. And that at times can be challenging to find because it automatically diminishes the amount of people that you can potentially advertise to. In addition to that, the main audience that you're looking at here are males. Males love to procrastinate. We're really good at pushing shit off and never doing it. So sometimes we got to give them a little bit of fire to make it happen. Before I go ahead and dive into the ad copy, let's take a look at the video that accompanies the ad. Watch this.
Are you looking to get engaged but don't know the first thing about diamonds or engagement rings? Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm Jay Horgan, owner of Houston Diamond Outlet. We have over 25 years experience in helping customers like you choose the perfect engagement ring and get the best value. Our excellent 4.9 star Facebook rating goes to show just how happy our customers are. We have Houston's best selection of engagement rings with over 500 of the latest designer styles in stock. From halo to traditional, antique filigree to simple solitaires, we have them all. And with an extensive loose diamond inventory.
Everyone, I want you to write something down. Sell to humans. And then understand the human that you're talking to. A guy's mentality when it comes to getting out engagement rings isn't the same as females. If females were going to buy engagement rings, it would sound like this. Oh my God, yes, we're going to get engagement rings. Let's go right now. Call my girlfriends. Everybody come with me. Yeah. Engagement rings. Knock it off. Guys are like, oh, shit, man. She's giving me pressure. Now I got to do this engagement ring thing. I don't know nothing about this. Ah, shit. Oh my, I don't even know why I'm getting married. Fuck it, I'm going to get back to going single. So what a guy's thinking. Meet the customer where they're at. So let me see if I can sprinkle a little genius on this and change the game up a little bit. The number one thing, and let me get the drawing board for this for a moment, please. Number one thing I want you guys to realize when you have an advertisement, you have to realize the level of resistance that's built in to your ad. So here's a scale, this being 1, this being a 10. The more resistance there is, the more unlikely someone is to buy your product or service. Right now, the ad is positioned for somebody to take action immediately and to begin shopping, because that's what the business owner wants. He just wants people to go online and just automatically swipe. But the truth is, this is the first time hearing about this. They've been on the fence about it. They don't want to do it in the first place. So any reason to not do it, they're going to take. So when you're going to a 10 level of resistance, which is asking somebody to take out their credit card or to get on the phone and spend $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, $500,000, well, that's going to be challenging. So we have to switch the offer. Most of the time when your advertisements aren't working, the offer is just jacked up. So Jay, if you're watching this, what I recommend you do is start with a level 1 number of resistance. And also, 2, change your ad copy to something more conversational. Right now, it's very corporate, salesy, old school, and infomercial-ish. I just want to talk to them real. Hey, you know what sucks? Engagement rings shopping. But you know what sucks even more than that? When your girl's pissed off. She doesn't talk to you. You can't have sexual intercourse. There's tension in the room. She makes everything awkward and makes drama out of everything. But you know what the best feeling in the world is? Peace and quiet. And you know the best way to accomplish that? By getting her an engagement ring. At least buys you 6 to 8 months of just quiet and peace. And every time you get to an argument, all you got to say is, please, engagement ring. And so, no, obviously, I'm joking a little bit. You can't say all that. But you guys get what I'm saying. It's entertaining to read, it's conversational, and you're genuinely speaking to the true pain of the ideal customer. And now we're going to hook them with a low resistance offer. So, hey, dude, you're sick of fighting with your girl. You know it's time anyway. You know she's the one. You're just being lazy. So let me make this easy for you. Right now, I'm going to text message you a list of the top 10 rings and different price ranges that your girl will absolutely love. You don't have to do anything besides read the text message, pick one that actually, better yet, don't pick anything. I'm gonna send you a text message, then I want you to text that message to her girlfriends, ask them which one she'll like the best, and then me and you can figure out all the details so you don't gotta do shit. Matter of fact, you don't even have to leave your couch if you don't want to. Click here. I'll send you a text with the top 10 rings that will make your girl go crazy that are extremely affordable. Matter of fact, they're more affordable than they actually look. Click here. I'll hook you up. My name is Billy Jean, and I give you rings. Yeah, I'm telling you it'll work. Just talk to him. Speak to him regularly. Talk to that guy. Offer something low resistance. And here's the deal. Once he comes from your ad, you send him to a simple landing page or a lead ad, and we can show a visual representation of those two things. And then just ask for their name, email, and phone number. Set up an automatic text message that sends your best rings where you have the best margins that's genuinely going to help them. And then here's what you do. Once that auto text is there, then you call them about 30 minutes later. And you say, hey, what's up? It's Billy Jean, the guy that just sent you the text with the rings. So, dude, let's be real. How long you been putting this off? Is it time to get it done? Do you need some help? Here's what I'm going to do. Tomorrow I got an opening at 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Which one works better for you? Cool. You're going to come down. I'm going to buy you some dinner. I'm going to show you some freaking rings because I know you're lazy. We're going to get it done. The end. The end. Billy just fixed your ad. You selfish asshole, Jay. Love you, man. See you guys in episode 2. Why did I whisper to close out that scene?